I'm going to do a video for you. I was told that there isn't any Jetfire videos of one driving and actually boosting, so I'm going to have my daughters take a video while I drive this and see how it does. This car is a factory 4-speed car, and to my surprise it will actually spin the tires in all 4 gears. This car was found in a garage in Chicago. It was parked in 1974. This is the one Ryan Brett's got a good YouTube video on of them getting it out of the garage where it was parked in. I done a lot of cleaning on it. The interior turned out incredible. It's 44,300 original miles. I've driven it almost 250 miles, something like that. One of Ryan Brett's books, he put this car in. Raise the hood. For the ones that don't know, these are water methanol injected from the factory. It uses boost pressure to pressurize the fluid and inject it during boost mode. You can watch one of my other videos, I explain how that works. But we'll take this for a drive and I'll get her posted.